The C3D PolyShaper module provides different tools for analyzing, editing, and repairing polygonal meshes. In this video, we demonstrate several key polygonal mesh editing workflows. The demo is performed in a dedicated test application. As the initial data, we used a scanned model containing numerous small fragments that need to be removed. First, we convert the mesh into the MB Polymesh format, a polygonal object with defined topology. This is a prerequisite for all subsequent editing operations. Each connected group of triangles forms a subregion. The model contains many such subregions. We select the required group of triangles and create a region. All small fragments will stay outside of it. We invert the selection and remove the unnecessary objects. If necessary, individual triangles can also be removed. We select the required area and delete it. As a result, the mesh is split into two parts, and it's possible to delete the unnecessary one. Now we add pre-configured planes to the model. Using these planes, we can isolate the area of interest. Then apply the imprint command to project the plane onto the mesh. We sequentially apply the command to both planes. The imprint operation embeds the intersection curves directly into the mesh topology. We select the desired region and delete the rest. We save the result. It will be used later to compare triangulations. Another editing operation is contour cut. Two parametric circles have been added to the model in advance. We run the trim and select the first curve. Next, we configure the operation parameters. Mode 1 divides the mesh into separate regions. We leave the default linearization accuracy. We perform the same operation for the second circle, but with a coarser linearization. After removing the auxiliary curves, we compare the result with the original mesh. As a result of the operation, new edges are embedded into the mesh. The mesh is segmented with different levels of precision. The segmentation allows us to apply independent editing operations to each new mesh segment. One of the ways to improve mesh quality is remeshing, which generates a more uniform topology. For clarity, we enable triangle visualization. We configure the operation parameters: optimization method, uniform. Triangle edge length, 1.5. The angle parameter is not considered since the model was obtained by 3D scanning. Now we compare the result with the original mesh. After remeshing, triangle quality improves and their number decreases, while the overall shape of the model remains unchanged. Now let us apply Boolean operations to a polygonal mesh. To embed intersection curves from another object to the mesh, we use the imprint operation. we can hide the letters. The original mesh now contains the intersection curves as ready-to-use contours for further editing. Classic Boolean operations such as union, subtraction, and intersection are also supported. We subtract the letters from the scanned model. The result of the operation is a relief text integrated into the mesh. Boolean operations can be applied to both closed and open objects. It is important to note that the result of a Boolean operation depends on the direction of the triangle normals. We invert the normals. In this case, the result of the operation changes accordingly. C3D PolyShaper offers a comprehensive toolkit for editing and analyzing polygonal models, from scan cleanup to advanced mesh modification workflows. In the following videos, we will continue exploring the PolyShaper capabilities and demonstrate additional real-world application scenarios. Thanks for watching.